Welcome to my channel. Just got a Ring doorbell and want to set it up quickly? In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Ring doorbell step by step so you can start monitoring your home in minutes. Step 1. Unbox the Ring doorbell. Open the box and make sure everything is included. You should have the Ring doorbell, mounting bracket, screws, charging cable, and installation tools. Step 2. Charge the battery. Before installation, fully charge the battery using the USB cable. The charging light will turn green when it's ready. Step 3. Download the Ring app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Ring app. Open it and sign in or create a new account. Step 4. Add a new device. In the Ring app, tap Set up a device and select Doorbells. Then scan the QR code on the back of your Ring device. Step 5. Connect to Wi-Fi. Follow the instructions in the app and connect your Ring doorbell to your home Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Install the doorbell. Attach the mounting bracket near your door using the screws. Then snap the Ring doorbell onto the bracket. Step 7. Finish setup. Once installed, test the doorbell using the app to make sure video and notifications are working properly. And that's it. Your Ring doorbell is now ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.